Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mexican potato soup. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You will need approximately 2 pounds of russet or Yukon Gold potatoes, 2 large ripe tomatoes, and 6 cups of chicken broth. Don't forget a medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a fresh jalapeno for that signature kick. A small bunch of fresh cilantro is also essential for a vibrant finish. Now let's prepare our vegetables. First, peel and dice your 2 pounds of potatoes into uniform 1-inch cubes. This ensures they cook evenly. Next, finely chop 1 medium onion and mince 2 cloves of garlic. For a richer flavor, roast your 2 large tomatoes on a baking sheet until they are slightly charred and softened, which usually takes about 15 minutes. It's time to start cooking. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing until they are fragrant and softened, which takes about 5 minutes. Stir in the diced potatoes and the roasted, chopped tomatoes. Pour in 6 cups of chicken broth, bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 20 minutes or until potatoes are tender. Almost ready to enjoy. Just before serving, stir in 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro to brighten the flavors. Ladle the warm soup into bowls. For an extra touch, garnish each serving with a dollop of sour cream and a generous sprinkle of crumbled cottage cheese. This delicious Mexican potato soup pairs wonderfully with warm tortillas or a slice of crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.